So I like this gun. It's just, why don't you carry it? Why isn't it one of your favorites? Why do we not see it very often?
Now, of course, this is optics ready, and it does have a cover plate here. You can just take it right off.
Sometimes that happens. Sometimes it'll get two rounds wanting to go into the chamber at the same time.
Rounded trigger guard without any stippling on the front. The stippling on the front of the front strap here.
Number 8, Walther PDP $700. The Walther PDP is an exceptional firearm that impresses with its thoughtful design and outstanding performance. Its textured grip and slight serrations provide a secure and comfortable handling experience. These features make it easy to perform manipulations, ensuring a smooth and efficient operation of the firearm. One of the standout attributes of the Walther PDP is its remarkable trigger. It sets a high standard, offering a crisp and responsive pull. This contributes significantly to the gun's overall accuracy and shootability. The trigger's performance is on par with some of the best in the market, showcasing Walther's commitment to crafting high-quality firearms. The PDP's grip angle is intuitively designed, aligning naturally with the shooter's hand. This ergonomic consideration enhances the gun's comfort during extended shooting sessions, reducing fatigue and allowing for better control. This attention to detail in the grip's design demonstrates Walther's dedication to crafting a firearm that prioritizes user comfort and usability. In terms of performance, the Walther PDP shines. It delivers reliable and accurate shots consistently. This reliability is a crucial factor for anyone who depends on their firearm for self-defense or professional purposes. The PDP's consistent performance instills confidence in its users, knowing that it can be relied upon in critical situations. Number 7, FN 509 $800. The FN 509 often flies under the radar in discussions about handguns, but it certainly shouldn't. FN, known for producing high-quality firearms, applies the same level of craftsmanship to their pistols. The FN 509 in particular stands out as a commendable compact option with several impressive features. First and foremost, the FN 509 boasts excellent build quality and reliability. It's a firearm designed to withstand the rigors of regular use, offering users peace of mind knowing it will perform consistently. This reliability is a hallmark of FN's commitment to producing top-notch firearms. Furthermore, the FN 509 offers a comfortable and ergonomic grip, making it easy to handle and shoot accurately. Its compact size strikes a balance between portability and firepower, making it suitable for a range of applications from concealed carry to home defense. Additionally, FN has equipped the 509 with useful features like ambidextrous controls, a crisp trigger, and reliable sights. These elements contribute to an overall user-friendly experience, appealing to both experienced shooters and those new to firearms. Overall, the FN 509 is a prime example of FN's dedication to producing quality handguns. Its combination of durability, ergonomics, and thoughtful design features make it a standout choice in the compact handgun category. Those who underestimate FN's offerings in the handgun realm are certainly missing out. Number 6, Glock G19 $600. The Glock G19 is celebrated for its unparalleled reliability and durability. It has earned its reputation as a firearm that simply gets the job done. These pistols have been subjected to extreme tests, from being run over to being buried in mud or frozen, and they still function reliably. This level of durability instills confidence in shooters, knowing that the G19 can handle harsh conditions without fail. Beyond its ruggedness, the Glock G19 is renowned for its dependability. It has proven itself in countless real-world scenarios, making it a trusted choice for law enforcement, military, and civilian users alike. Its simplicity and robust design contribute to its unwavering performance. Moreover, the G19 boasts an extensive aftermarket. This means that owners have a wide range of options for customization. Whether it's swapping out sights, slides, barrels, triggers, or mags, the G19 provides a versatile platform for personalization. This adaptability allows users to tailor the firearm to their specific preferences and needs, making it a versatile tool for a variety of applications. In essence, the Glock G19's reliability, durability, and aftermarket support make it a standout choice for individuals seeking a dependable and customizable firearm. Its proven track record in demanding conditions and its adaptability in various situations make it a go-to option for many shooters. Number 5. HK VP9 $600. The HK VP9 is an excellent handgun known for its ease of handling and reliability. It accommodates 10, 15, or 17 round mags, offering versatility in terms of capacity. However, the aftermarket support for this firearm is less robust compared to some other popular models, meaning you won't find as many customization options as you might with a Glock, for example. The VP9 is part of Heckler & Koch's lineup, known for producing high-quality firearms. While it marks HK's return to the striker-fired pistol market, they have a rich history in the firearm industry. The pistol boasts a well-thought-out design and is often praised for its trigger quality, build, and accuracy. One minor drawback is its similarity in size to a Glock 17, with the exception of thickness. It's a bit thicker, resulting in a slightly heavier slide. Nonetheless, it offers replaceable back straps and side panels, allowing you to customize the grip to your liking. The VP9 isn't the most compact concealed carry option out there, but it provides a reliable and comfortable choice for those who appreciate its quality and craftsmanship. Its interchangeable grip components are a significant advantage, giving you the flexibility to adapt the firearm to your preferences. Number 4. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 9mm $300. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield 9mm is a highly reliable compact carry gun, especially well suited for women and smaller frame shooters. It has a stellar track record, showing no failures to feed or eject, and is built with excellent quality. The gun features a 3.1-inch stainless steel barrel finished with armornite, sitting on a matte black polymer frame, making it lightweight at just over 20 ounces. While it may lack fancy features, the shield's simplicity is a strength. The slide is uncluttered, equipped with standard white dot sights and rear serrations. The slide stop release and mag release, though positioned for one-handed operation, might be a bit challenging for those with smaller arms. The gun ships with 2 mags, offering capacities of 7+1 and 8+1 rounds. Jackie, the reviewer, preferred the extended 8-round mag for its higher capacity and ease of loading. The shield's compact size makes it perfect for deep concealment, whether worn behind the hip or in the appendix inside the waistband position. It's an excellent choice for outfits that don't accommodate larger double-stack handguns. While it does exhibit noticeable recoil in 9mm, it's manageable with practice. Accuracy is good, though the trigger is criticized for being somewhat mushy. Despite this, the shield's slim design, lightweight build, and 9mm power make it one of Smith & Wesson's most popular subcompact models. It's a reliable choice for concealed carry. Number 3. Grant Power P1 MK7 $250. The Grant Power P1 MK7, brought into the United States by Century Arms International, hails from Slovakia and is a compact iteration of the standard issue sidearm utilized by the Slovakian military. Praised for its impressive accuracy and dependability, the Grant Power P1 MK7 holds its own as the current standard military sidearm, boasting an impressive mean rounds before failure rate of 20,000. While slightly heavier than many handguns on the market, it compensates with a solid construction and an affordable price point. Originating from Slovakia, this firearm benefits from a robust design and engineering, a testament to its suitability for both military and civilian use. Its compact size makes it a versatile choice for concealed carry or situations that require maneuverability. The Grant Power P1 MK7's reputation for accuracy and reliability makes it a compelling option for those seeking a dependable sidearm. Despite its slightly heavier build, its durability and affordability contribute to its appeal in the firearms market. Overall, the Grant Power P1 MK7 stands out as a reliable and accessible choice for shooters. Number 2. Rock Island G1 Model 1911 $500. The Rock Island G1 Model 1911 holds significant historical importance. Its origins trace back to the need for a more robust handgun after the US military faced challenges in the Philippines against Moro tribesmen where .38 revolvers proved insufficient. This led to the adoption of the .45 ACP cartridge and the creation of the M1911 handgun. The 1911 has become an iconic American firearm renowned for its reliability and effectiveness. Interestingly, some of the finest entry-level 1911 models are now produced in the Philippines, the very country that played a pivotal role in its development. This nation now exports thousands of 1911 handguns to the United States, allowing civilian shooters to experience and appreciate this historic firearm. The Rock Island G1 model 1911 in particular carries on this legacy, offering a dependable and accessible option for firearm enthusiasts and those seeking a piece of American history. Number 1. Smith & Wesson SD940, $400. The Smith & Wesson SD940 is a handgun that closely resembles and handles like a Glock. It's designed for self-defense, offering a similar breakdown in operation to a Glock firearm. When compared side by side, the SD940 is practically a Glock with a Smith & Wesson logo. The SD series, including the SD9, evolved from the Sigma line, aiming to improve the trigger and overall performance. The SD9VE in particular is a value-enhanced model with a 7 to 8 pound trigger suitable for self-defense. The firearm features a polymer frame and an external extractor resembling Glock components. The SD940 is known for its affordability, often priced under $400, making it an attractive option for those seeking a reliable self-defense weapon. The trigger offers a double-action feel with some take-up, akin to transitioning from a double-action revolver to a striker-fired mechanism. The gun's reputation has improved over time, dispelling some initial negative feedback. Overall, the Smith & Wesson SD940 provides a cost-effective alternative for individuals seeking a reliable self-defense firearm with a Glock-like feel and operation. And that brings us to the end of our video. See you next time, and bye for now.